Hi, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I haven't been to this spot in like, I don't know, 2 years. This is the first spot I think I ever overnight camped when living in my van, and it is near and dear to my heart. So I decided to take you guys here and explain to you what I am currently reading, which is Andy Weir, Hail Mary. I am quite literally on chapter 4, so I'm not far into the book. I can tell you that I'm definitely enjoying it. I want to read the book before me and my roommate go to see the movie. So basically it just starts off and it's a guy who is a teacher, and he is tasked to basically save the world. And he lost his memory in the very beginning of the book. I'm not going to give it like any spoilers. You pretty much learn that in the first 4 chapters, so nothing crazy, but I'm definitely enjoying the book. And yeah, I just thought I would take you here to my little spot and read and chit chat and just dilly daddly. Okay, we're gonna have a dilly dally day.
It was just 2 lovers, sitting in a gal, listening to blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange sky, feeling super childish, no down the clever. Missed call from my mother, like where you at tonight, got no all about it, I was all alone. With the love of my life, she's got glitter for skin, my radiant beaming the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. Is strong golden. You slow down time in your golden. We were just 2 lovers, feet up on the dial, drawing nowhere fast, burning through the summer. Ready on a blast, made the moment last, she got solar power. Minutes feel like hours. She knows she with the brightest, can you even imagine falling like indeed? For the love of my life, she's got glow on her face, a glorious look in her eyes. My angel fly, I was all alone with your love all my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beaming the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's strong golden. You slow down time in your golden.
guys, so first of all, here's the fit check. Flip-flops, Kohl's, leggings, Amazon, shirt, Amazon. I'm actually wearing a little lip liner and lip gloss, and I did my eyebrows. Okay, so anyways, I decided, since we want to go to the bigger theater, which is at 10:30, and I didn't wake up until 8:30, and I had half a book to finish. I had like 300 pages to finish. I finished most of it, but I'm leaving the ending out so we can make the movie for 10:30, be able to buy popcorn and such. And I'm gonna let the ending of the movie be a surprise. So yeah, got my little swoop back. I'll let you know how it was.
Inside me? Nice. M&M's. It's more fun together.
My portable earth thinking machine.
With all human knowledge.
Think.
And just one more thing.
Yes? What's this?
It's Earth. So you can remember me. Tanuki. I'm coming. Why always gotta be so early? Yeah, I know. And I ignored you. Hey. Why? I thought this was a safe neighborhood.
You guys, we gotta talk about, okay, I just got back from the movies. There's gonna be spoilers, so if you don't want spoilers, go ahead and come back to the video. I'll put it right here at this time. First of all, I'm gonna give the book a 4 stars, and I'm gonna give the movie a 4.5 stars, because let me preface, I love the movie. Did I cry? I cried 3 separate times. Yes, I cried. They were sad and happy tears. But the reason why I'm not gonna rate it a 5 stars is because it's not practical. Okay, it's not practical. It might be practical for you, and I'm not judging you, but in my mind, that's not practical. All right, so like I said, I finished at page 282, and then I was like, maybe I should let the ending be a surprise to me, and I'll just watch it at the movies, because we wanted to make the 10:30 showing, and there was no way that I was going to finish this book. I would probably have had to have read 250 more pages in like a 30-minute time. So I've just been working a whole lot, and I haven't given book reading enough time. I've been audibles, lots of audibles. However, if you have a Libby or Chirp, because they're affordable, Libby only has the audiobook of Project Hail Mary in Spanish. And oh, the author's Andy Weir, okay, if you did not know. I'm not good with remembering authors. They really have to like hit me, like Cara Pooley, I won't forget that. Or Clara Pooley. I love her. Where was I going with that? Oh, so I wanted to listen to the Audible of Project Hail Mary only because that works for me, because I work so much, and everybody raved about how great the Audible was of Project Hail Mary. But I couldn't, because again, on Libby, I could not find it. Chirp didn't have it. It was on Audible, but they wanted $20 because I had already used my credit for the month, and I wasn't spending $20 to listen to the Audible when I have the physical copy. That's just not how I roll. Maybe in the future. And then, So yeah, I didn't get the Audible. So I found it on YouTube. If you want her link, I think she's British or something, but she'll read the chapters to you. And I just put it on 2x speed because I felt like she read kind of slow. But it wasn't the same experience. I just needed to get through the book to go to the movies, and then I didn't even finish the book. But let's talk about it, okay? Let's talk about Project Hail Mary at the movies today. First of all, there is an alien, and it's not how you would think an alien would look. And there's no such thing as aliens in my book. They're all demons. But this is a movie, okay? This is a fictional movie. So we're just going to talk about the lovely alien Rocky. He is so smart, and he is so cute, and he is so, like, caring. I loved Rocky. I love that Ryan Gosling was the main character. He was the scientist on the ship. He's the only one that survived on the ship there were 3 people. There was the scientist, which is Ryan Gosling. There was the pilot, and then there was the, like the builder, the fixer, if anything was to go wrong. Well, they passed away at the very beginning of the movie, so it was just Ryan Gosling. And Ryan Gosling is smoking, okay? He is a handsome man. So I already like that he was the main character. But his relationship with Rocky throughout the movie was amazing. I did think, because it's such like a serious movie, Project Hail Mary. Hail Mary means, like in football, you throw that long pass and you hope for the best. It was basically a suicide mission. And Ryan knew that when he went into the mission. And it was to save humanity, to save the earth. So I lose my train of thought so much. Oh, I got it. So even though the movie was so serious, there were so many like very comical like moments in the movie. My favorite parts of the movie obviously were Ryan Gosling. His name is Grace in the movie, by the way, and Rocky's relationship. But I also liked Grace and Carl's relationship. Carl is just like this serious man. He's part of the government, and he's the government for like everything. And him and Ryan Gosling developed like a friendship in the movie in this one particular part. You'll know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, you need to go watch the movie so you can know. But the movie was very enjoyable. The ending was super like, it was good. It just wasn't practical, but it was cute. So I'm gonna actually finish reading the book just so I can, because in the movie, like all movies, the book is a lot longer, and it actually like breaks down in detail a lot of things where the movie has to skip a lot of it, and the movie did. The movie skipped a lot, but it still all came together, and it was still a great movie. But I want to read the book because I want to live that ending again. And I also want to live, hopefully they talk about Carl in the book. I want to live out the friendship of Carl and Grace, but I also want to live out the ending with Rocky and Grace. And I just want to see how well the ending is to the ending of the movie, and then I'll check back in with you guys in a little while, because this girl is antsy. I've been gone all morning at the movies, and it is a long movie. I think it was like 2.5 hours. So make sure that you wear comfy clothes and you go to the movies that recline the seats, because that's important. I can't just sit up straight watching a movie the whole time. But I think this girl might want to go for a walk, and I really need to trim her nails. She's going to get de-shedded today. I'm cleaning out her ears, brushing her teeth, and I'm giving her a bath. But yeah, I'll check in a little bit. Angel. You precious baby. Hi. What's a treat? Get a bunker bite. Good boy, hon. Chewy, high five. Good boy. Bubbles, dance. Dance. No, you gotta dance. 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 Good girl. Good dance. Han. Sit. Good boy. Chewy, high five. Good boy. Bubbles, sit. Bubbles, shake. Good girl. Y'all are about to be free. I don't want to get any of the bag water in my aquarium water, so I've got to be careful. Here's your new home. So you guys, I went to the grocery store and I got a grass-fed ribeye Angus steak, and I got a zucchini and a squash. We're gonna actually do steaks on the grill tonight, so I'm taking a break from reading. I'm about 300 and something pages in. I keep stopping. I just got off a FaceTime with my kid and my grandkids. We were looking at my fish tank. She told me it looks so good. And I'm gonna take a break, and I've already seasoned this steak. I just need to cut up my zucchini and my squash, and we need to get we need to get the grill heated up, so let's do that together.
Makeup, something I had to earn, but it's water in the morning and letting my body learn. This clean skin, soft light, this rest that shows in my eyes. This is how I hold my shoulders when I stop living rushed. I don't chase it, I make space for it. I come back to myself. Feel it, that's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase, it's a light I find. The real glow comes from inside. When I don't need a proof, when I say no without guilt, and I still keep my peace. It's being kind, staying sharp. It's knowing what I allow.